Setting the mood with flowers is a great way to help yourself feel good and sexy in your home. So I'm going to show you how to make this floral wall hanging. I have an assortment of beautiful flowers here to choose from. If you want it to last for a long time, almost forever, go ahead and choose some fake flowers. But if you want to design something for a special occasion, then go ahead and get yourself some nice fresh beauties right here. Now, all you need for this is some twine. Measure it out to the length of your arm span here and just trim off a few pieces of string, just so that you can have a different arrangement on each one. You could play around with the different patterns and colors. It'll make a beautiful wall hanging or a headboard. Very inspiring to look at. Take your flower of choice, and for the first one, just go ahead, do a simple tie around. See? Nice little dangle there. And then for the next piece, play around with the placement. Do you want them more clustered over here, or do you want some spacing? It'll look pretty no matter what, because the flowers are gorgeous. Tie it around a few times and make a knot. There you go. That looks beautiful already. Just imagine waking up to a wall of flowers, or heading in there in the afternoon for an afternoon delight. Just look up and be like, oh hey. I'm gonna keep going here until I have a couple more strands with different flowers and patterns, and then I'm gonna hang them up. Asian Martha Stewart, bitch. Looks beautiful. To hang these up on the wall, you have several options. You can grab yourself a nice plain wooden dowel and paint it to match the decor of your house, or you can get some driftwood. Whatever looks beautiful to you, just have fun with it and hang some stuff up. That looks so beautiful. It looks whimsical in a nice, soft, light, playful way, and it'll put you in a good mood when you head in the bedroom for the afternoon.